We're back at the new and improved Bombay Beach. So much has grown since I've been here last. Now it's become a hip utopia of randomness, and it's very adventurous and very inviting. So one of the biggest flexes of Bombay Beach is that they have their own jet right there in the middle of the town. How many places do you know that the cities start off with its own jet, piece by piece? One of the fun things about Bombay Beach is that it's going to keep hitting you with these fun, rusty, funky aesthetics. So please always keep your eyes open. Are you a squatter that's in the market for real estate? Try the Bombay Estates. There's so many houses with cool graffiti and art. These houses are giving very loud statements. Destroy me or decorate me. Each abandoned house is almost like its own museum. Yes, it may be deteriorating, but it is still a respectful art piece. Got all the insides and outsides painted with its own uniqueness. And here we have our awesome guide, Kevin Keys, showing us around. Sometimes you gotta pop up and show people that you're about this Bombay life. Everything around here is custom and decorated to the T's. You want a piano bar? Gotcha. You want a roof full of scrubs? We definitely got you here. Or how about you sit in a nice tub? Leave all your troubles away at Bombay. These type of places are very fun to explore, but please, you gotta be careful because you're not gonna know what's gonna pop up. I seen bugs, I seen cats, I seen dogs, I seen birds, pigeons. Heck, I even think I saw an alien run out of these houses when I was walking in. So please, be careful. Come and visit with so much love and courteous, and I promise it'll take you to the moon. Everywhere I turn, there's not a single wall that's left untouched. And sometimes I wonder, do locals do this, or are they the outsiders that come and visit? It's probably a hybrid of both. Beautiful little delightful hidden messages everywhere. Once again, pop out, show up, and check everything that this place has to offer. Most abandoned houses are basically all graffitied up. And, if you want to leave something for yourself, then go ahead. Art is definitely welcome here all over Bombay, so come on, go ahead. If you're an artist and you really got some talent, come lace the city up. They'd appreciate it. And shout out to the Heartbreak Motel. Bombay's history is very rich. Here we get a tour of the Bombay Beach Museum, and here they have artifacts of the city's past and future. A lot of photography of the beautiful scenery Bombay has to offer. And here we have the Bombay Beach Bernigal, which was essentially a nice big festival for the Bombay that they had last year. A lot of beautiful photography everywhere you turn. My personal favorite art is this taxidermy of one of the last tilapia fish corpses Bombay has ever had. All tilapia fish has died out since 2017, and here's the body of one. And here's some beautiful art created by our own tour guide, Kevin Key. On top of the museum is a roof lounge area, which is accessed by some outdoor stairs. And when you get on top, it overlooks the art and the shores of the Bombay Beach. You can take a seat, but my favorite part of it was looking all around the shores. You can see the pyramids out there. And there I am sitting next to the staircase, next to the best host Bombay has to offer. Hi, Kevin. Another staple of Bombay Beach is its drive-in, which is at times occasionally a movie screening center. Sometimes people get out here in various times and watch movies outdoors. I was so lucky to find this secret trailer, which had one of the best paint jobs anyone's ever done. If you ever want a great picture, this place is it. Shout out to this egg house. If you ever want to get scared, come check out Dream Demon. As soon as I walked in, I got horrifically scared. Something was telling me like, yo, I should not be here. But luckily with my brave host, Kevin, he let me know everything would be all right. And as soon as I walked in, I knew this was not really the place to be. I kind of felt like I was in some kind of weird daze. And the deeper that I went in, the more I wanted to run out. But, I had to come in and be brave for you guys. So if you ever come in, please be careful of the vibes and the spirits that you walk in and walk out with. On a lighter note, The Polaroid house next door has a nice 70s feel to it and a perfect place for a quick picture. The Sub Club was a hotspot for Bombay's festival, the Bernicle, and at one point this place had a DJ bumping, and now when you walk in, it's very lonely, but it's still a cool place to go and check out and see what it once was. Maybe next year it'll be bumping, but in the meantime, I'm checking it out. Bombay also has its 2 duo pyramids right on the shore. You can always see. And next right to that is a beautiful gallery that's very hard to miss and very much outside. With nighttime coming, I gotta go. And please remember to visit the city of Bombay Beach before it fades away and it's just a memory. Time is short, y'all. Go out and explore.